Someone asked, if a man or a woman gets married for the second time, should they disclose details of their previous marriage if they asked by their partners? Because in many cases this could be a threat to the second marriage.
This is false, against the teaching of the Quran. Because whatever life he spent with his previous wife, it is an amanat with him, a trust with him. And if the wife outlives him and marries another person, the same is true of her. If the husband outlives, the same is true with him. So trust for both. Once you know each other, you intimately, then it's extremely vicious or wicked of you to start speaking of the same things to others.